We'll guide you through how to set up Dropbox on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website using your preferred internet browser. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button on the top right corner and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a password. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. After filling out the form, click on the I agree to Dropbox terms checkbox. Then hit Sign Up. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to your new Dropbox homepage. Here, you can start uploading files to your Dropbox by clicking the Upload button at the top of the page. You have options to upload files or entire folders, making it easy to share or backup your important documents. If you prefer to have Dropbox conveniently accessible from your desktop, you can download the Dropbox application. Just look for the Download button on the bottom of the page and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, you'll see a Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar, depending on your operating system. Click on the icon and sign in using the email and password you just created. This allows you to synchronize files between your computer and the cloud seamlessly. You can right-click on files or folders within your Dropbox folder to share them with others by generating a shareable link. This is perfect for collaboration or simply sharing files with friends. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.